Okay, I guess I'm audible. Yeah. Yes guys, so welcome back today NEET World Physics class. So we have started our 100 days challenge, right? 100 days challenge we have started. This is the day 2 of the 100 days challenge, guys. So yesterday, like in the day 1, no, we have seen about the graph. In day 2 we are going to see about the projectile motion. Okay. So when we talk about the projectile motion, no, so usually we have learned the one dimensional motion in the straight lines. Yeah. So in the planes we are dealing with the projectile motion, that is two dimensional motion, we will say 2D motion. So it is, let us take in x axis and y axis. So for example, if we throw a ball with an angle theta with velocity u, with respect to, like, the angle is made with respect to the horizontal, that is with the earth surface, we will say. Suppose you are standing on the earth and you are throwing the ball. Okay, you are throwing the ball. Okay, so what you will say, you are throwing with respect to the earth surface, you will say, no, that's what we have taken. So the angle made with respect to the x axis, so velocity u have taken. So in, like, for the components we have seen, like whenever we are taking the components, no, that is vector, yes or no. So vectors, this one will be my u cos theta, like where the angle near to that I will take the cos theta, away from that I will take it is u sin theta, right. Now we have splitted the velocity in two, that is two axes, one is x axis and one is y axis, right. Am I audible? Yes. Yeah guys, so we have taken. Now what about the gravity? Like when I throw the ball, obviously the ball will come down. Why it is coming down? It is due to gravity, right. So when I see, I will write down this one, velocity. Velocity at x axis is nothing but ux is equals to u cos theta, uy is equals to u sin theta. This is about velocity. Acceleration, ax is equals to and ay. So when I talk about the gravity, no, gravity is acting towards down, that is g. If I throw a ball opposite to gravity, that is minus g, no, minus g. So for ay it is minus g, for ax it is 0. So there is no gravity in horizontal, only in the vertical direction we will consider, either it is plus g or minus g, accordingly, like I am throwing in the opposite direction of the gravity, right. Now let me take the equation, kinematic equation. What are the kinematic equation? V is equals to u plus at, one equation. V square minus u square equals to 2as, the second equation. S is equals to ut plus of at square, of at square. So three equations we got. Like we know, like this is the equation we substituted in the, like, one dimensional motion, no, so like we have separated the dimensional, so it is x axis, in y axis we have separated. Now let me take and substitute the values in the three equations first. So for the horizontal thing, first one I will calculate for the horizontal. Horizontal in the sense x axis, no, so x axis I will write it. So we got that ux is equals to u cos theta, Ax is equals to 0, and the equation I will write V is equals to u plus at, V square minus u square equals to 2as, and s is equals to ut plus of at square. Now this is Vx, no, like initial velocity, final velocity. Initial is u, final is v. So Vx, I will write Vx is equals to ux plus the Ax is 0, no. So 0 into t, whatever the term we have got we will substitute here, okay. T I do not know, I will keep as it is, that is t. So Vx equals to, so 0 into something is 0, so Vx is equals to ux. So in what I can say here, so in x axis velocity does not change, it remains constant. So final velocity and initial velocity remains constant. So a note point is there, take a note point. In x axis velocity does not change, right. Now I will take the second equation, v square, that is Vx square equals to minus ux square equals to 2 into 0 into the distance or display, I mean distance covered in the x direction. I will say this is range, okay, range. So 0 into something is again 0, again I will get Vx equals to ux only, okay. Now the third equation, I said no, like it is the distance covered in the x direction, range, range is nothing but distance covered in x axis, okay. So range is equals to, what is u here, that ux, no, ux in the sense u cos theta. So u cos theta into t, I will write t as it is, plus half into at square, no, again a is there, a is 0, I can cancel it or neglect it out. So the final answer will be the range in x axis, that is u cos theta t, right. This is about the horizontal. When I talk about the vertical, similar pattern only, guys. So uy is equals to u sin theta, ax is equals, ay is equals to here, minus g will be there. I will take a new page. See, second one is vertical. So uy is equals to u sin theta, ay is equals to minus g. Next the equations only, v is equals to u plus at, v square minus u square equals to 2as, s is equals to ut plus of at square, right. Now what we know, like in the vertical direction, no, I am throwing a ball, the ball does not stay in the up, it comes down. So what I can say, I am throwing with some velocity, after reaching the height, no, some maximum height, the velocity becomes 0, right. So I can say that final velocity, that is Vy equals to 0. Why I am saying is, after reaching the maximum height, it becomes 0. So whenever you are throwing an object, no, an object towards up, obviously it will come down, right. So that's what, like it's due to gravity, like the gravitational force is pushing down, okay, that's why the velocity becomes 0. Now we know the three terms here, we can apply here. So Vy is equals to uy plus ayt. So Vy is 0, uy is u sin theta, plus this is ay is minus g, no, minus g. I do not know what is t, I will write t as it is. So I can say that 0 is equals to u sin theta minus gt. So from here I can say t is nothing but u sin theta by g. So from this equation what I can say, like what I can understand, so this is the time taken to reach the maximum height, I can say. No, like you are throwing the ball or any object with some velocity, so after reaching the maximum height how much time it has been taken. So time is nothing but t is equals to u sin theta by g, right. What about the next equation, v square minus u square equals to 2as. So yes, I will consider here the height, okay. V square, that is Vy square minus Uy square is equals to 2ay into height, maximum height. So y is u, like Vy is 0 minus u square sin square theta, u square sin square theta, right, is equals to 2 into minus g into h. So from here I can say h is equals to minus minus will get cancelled out, u square sin square theta by g, it's like 2g. This is the height. So if I am throwing an object, how much height it has been reached, I can calculate by the equation u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, we will do the sums after derivations. Okay, next one is here s is equals to ud plus of at square. So here I can say this one, h is equals to u sin theta into t minus of g t square, of g t square. So this is one more. So from here we got the equations for h and t, right. So we have completed one thing, horizontal, that is x axis, then vertical y axis. Vignesh, hi sir. Hazen, you can watch the stream for JEE also. Like this 100 days challenge is for both NEET and NEET as well as JEE, man. Okay. Sir, I got 459 in NEET and I am thinking to take a drop and I am big fan to do. You like to donate your Tanushri, hello. Okay guys, see this 100 days challenge is exclusive for NEET as well as JEE mains guys, okay, no need to worry. Okay. Okay guys, yeah, we'll go. Yeah, so let me write the formulas here. Like what is the formula we got? H is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g, and range is equals to, we can write the formula as u square sin 2 theta by g, okay, and then time is equals to, what is the time formula we got? Okay, yeah. So 2u sin theta by g, right? Okay. Now we will go for the questionnaires. A body is thrown with initial velocity 10 meter per second at an angle 37 degree from horizontal. What does it mean? Like I am throwing an object, like a body is thrown with initial velocity, like velocity has been given for the object, like with respect to horizontal the angle is made. It means, so this is the horizontal, no, with respect to horizontal I am throwing, the angle is 37 degree, right. I need to find the time of flight, maximum height and range here. So can you give the answer for the 3 questions, time of flight, maximum height and range? Yeah, you can give answer in the comment boxes, guys. Like direct formula only, no, like we know that, see simple thing, for 37 degrees, no, or 53 degrees, how to remember, or how I can find sin theta or cos theta or tan theta? Take a right angle triangle, okay, take, this is 90, one will be 53, another one will be 37, no. If I see here 53, no, 53, here the biggest number is 5. So take the biggest number, that is 5 to the hypotenuse, remaining that is 3 in the opposite side, and the other side it is 4. So 3, 4, 5. Now I can easily find sin 37, cos 37, or sin 53, cos 53, or either tan. Okay. So in this is my y axis, this is my x axis. So ux will be equals to, so ux is equals to u cos 37 degree, uy will be equals to u sin 37 degree. Am I right? Yeah. Now sin 37, cos 37. So sin 37, which is nothing but 3 by 5, cos 37, which is nothing but 4 by 5. So u is 10 into 4 by 5. Here u into, that is 10 into 3 by 5, right? Yeah. So ux will be 1s or 2s are, that is 8 meter per second. So uy will be 6 meter per second. We got uy, ux. Now I can substitute the values here, time of flight, maximum height, range. So time of flight formula 2u sin theta by g. So u sin theta, no, what is the answer? 6. So 2 into 6 by 10, this time of flight. Next one, maximum height, no, h is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g, u square sin square theta by 2g. So when I am talking about the maximum height, it is in the y direction, no, u sin theta, no. So I can say u sin theta the whole square by 2g, where u sin theta is 6. So 6 square by 2 into 10. So 36 by 20. Okay. So final calculation, you do it. Range now. So range formula, it is u square sin 2 theta by g. I can write sin 2 theta as sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. So I can expand and I can use it here. Yeah, r is equals to u square into 2 sin theta cos theta by g. I can substitute the values. So sin 37, cos 37. So u square, that is 10 square into 2 into 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 divided by 10. you will get the final answer for the range. Okay, we will do one more question here. Yeah, a particle is thrown as shown in the given figure. Okay, in the previous case we have seen that like a particle thrown with respect to horizontal with some angle theta, but in this case no, like in x axis and y axis, like they have given the velocities. I need to find the time of flight, horizontal range and maximum height. So can you say the answer for the time of flight? Yeah, give answer in the comment boxes guys, you can give. Okay, we'll do it. Okay, so let me take an equation, that is S is equals to ut plus of at square. What about S? There is displacement, right? Displacement, no. So when I throw an object like this, it will come down with the same height. So what is the displacement of the object? It is 0. I will consider the displacement as 0 is equals to, it equals to uy, no, uy into t plus of into minus g t square, minus g t square. So from this I can easily find what is t, no. So I will take minus 1, like 1 by 2 g t square equals to uy into t. So t and t will get cancelled. So t will be equals to uy, the value is given 20, no, 20 into 2 divided by 10. So I can get it easily, no, 0 0 cancel, that is 4 seconds. There is the time. So why I have taken 0? Like if I throw an object from this point, let me consider point number A to the point B with some velocity. After going up, again it will come down with same height, no. So displacement will be 0. Okay, that's why I consider. Now what about the horizontal range? Horizontal range. Range is nothing but, again this is the range. In x axis we will say, no, an object as thrown. In x axis I will say it is a range. So what I can do? R is equals to ux t plus of into ax t square, ux t plus ax t square. So here ax is 0, no, I can neglect it out. So by using ux and t I caught, that is 4 seconds, and I can multiply with 10, that is ux, I will get the answer for the range. So give maximum height, give answer for the maximum height guys. I will say a trick also, like maximum height, velocity becomes, that is final velocity becomes 0, right. So v is equals to u plus at. In this equation I can't find what is the height, right, there is no s. So next equation, v square minus u square equals to 2as. Yes, I can find the height. So v y square minus u y square equals to 2 into a y s. Okay, this is 0. Why? Because its maximum height, minus what is the velocity here? In y axis it is 20, no, 20, it is minus 20 the whole square equals to 2 into 2 into minus g, that is minus 10 into maximum height, that is h. So, minus 400 equals to minus 20 into h, minus minus cancel 0 0 and h will be 20 meter. 20 meter. Okay. So, for the given question we got time of flight, horizontal range and maximum height, and this question also time of flight, maximum height and range. Okay. This is about the projectile motion. So, in tomorrow's class, no, like day 3, we will start with free body diagram of the law of motion. Okay.